Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up your ringtones on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. We'll swipe up and go to the settings. And here in the settings you can see sounds and vibration. And when I click on it, you can see here I have a ringtone, a notification sound and a system sound. Let's start with the ringtone. I can click on ringtone and this is my current ringtone. So I can change it to Over the Horizon, to Outer Bell, or to Moon Discovery. I can also click on the plus, and if I have saved MP3 files on my device, then I can also choose these songs here, and then I can just choose my own song. So it's pretty cool how you can change your ringtone. And the second thing is the notification sound. When I click on it, at the moment it's space-time. I can change it to telegraph, to crystal, or to guitar. I change it back to Spaceline, and also I can change the system sound. When you have two SIM cards inserted in your Samsung Galaxy A33, then you can set up the ringtones for every SIM card. So you can say, okay, one SIM card is private, one SIM card is office, so I can change the ringtones, and directly when I hear the ringtone from the first SIM card, I can see, or I can hear, okay, it's my private, somebody is calling me privately, or the second ringtone could be for office. So it's pretty cool to set up your ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.